Welcome to matecv.com. What is your name and nationality?
Hi, my name is Celeste Cintillas from the Philippines.
How many years old are you?
I'm 37 years old.
Okay. Are you single or married?
I am married.
Do you have children?
Yeah, I have one daughter.
Where is she now?
She's in the Philippines.
Who is taking care of your daughter there?
And my husband takes care of my daughter.
Okay. So, what position you are applying for?
Applying for the full-time job.
Housemaid or all around housemaid nanny?
Yeah, housemaid nanny and our housemaid.
Okay. When would you be able to start working?
Sorry?
When would you be able to start working?
Or if even tomorrow or
Immediately.
immediately.
Okay. Do you have relatives in UAE?
I have in the Dubai, not in the Abu Dhabi.
Okay. So please describe your last job. What was your last job?
Working in the local family, like take care of the special kids.
Okay. So what are your duties and responsibilities there?
And duties of the sheep and feed him and take care of him, everything, change his clothes, feed him food, making food, and also cleaning the home, washing the clothes.
Hmm. How do you clean the house? How will you? Let's start with the kitchen. How will you start cleaning the kitchen?
I started cleaning the first kitchen is the in the top in the cupboard. I arrange all the inside the cupboard, and after that in the down, in the middle, and in the middle, in the down, in the floor. The last is in the floor.
Okay, then?
Then after that, then we start in the room and tidy all the clothes, the bed,
Okay.
cleaning, and the bathroom.
Okay. How frequently you change the bed sheets in a bedroom?
We put the first is the bed sheets, and after that, we put to get two bed sheets, right? And after that, we put the covered blanket,
No.
covered pillow.
Okay. How many times in a week you change the bed sheets in a bedroom?
Once, 3 days.
3 days once.
Yes.
Okay. How will you maintain the cleanliness of the toilets?
I maintain cleanliness every day. We need to clean all everything.
Okay. What would you do if a delivery man came to the door and your employer is not around?
Sorry?
If a delivery man came to the door and your employer is not around, what will you do?
Yeah, I will clean if the employee is not around.
Sorry?
I understand what did you say again?
If a delivery man came to the door and your employer is not around, what will you do?
So my employees is not around. Okay, even my employees is not around. I will do everything. I will do my job.
If a delivery man came to the door and your employer is not in the house, if some unknown person came to the house and your employer is not in the house, will you open the door or you will check with the employer, then you will open the door?
No. I will not open the door.
Okay, do you know how to cook?
I just cook little only. Just
Basic
frying.
Filipino food.
No, frying chicken,
Okay.
like salad, pasta.
Are you willing to learn following the instructions in a cookbook?
Yeah, of course I want.
Okay. What favorite activities you enjoy doing with children?
Yes.
What favorite activities you enjoy doing with children?
Yeah, I'm enjoying we're going together in the swimming pool, and then we're going outside to take care of the kids. We playing. We do some activities inside in the room.
What do children like best about you?
Sorry?
What do children like best about you?
it's like me because I give him everything that as my heart is I hold. I give him like I love him,
Okay.
and I show him how to love him, and I show him how to take care of him.
Okay. If one of the children accidentally hurts himself, what will you do?
Sorry.
If one of the children accidentally hurts himself, what will you do?
Of course, I will hurt. First, I will hurt also, but I will try to explain to him why you're hurting yourself, and you say like that.
If we have a minor accident,
Hmm?
if the child is having a minor accident, what are you going to do?
I will tell the truth, and I will call my boss. What will happen,
Okay.
like accident, and I will tell the truth. What's the truth?
Okay. As a nanny, could you say no to a child?
Sorry.
As a nanny, could you say no to a child? If the child asks you something, will you say no?
No, I will not say like.
Okay, I'll give you a situation, say yes or no, okay? If the child want to go to park alone, will you say yes or no?
Go to where? I don't understand.
If the child want to go to park alone without you, so you will say yes or no?
No, I will not say
No. If it is bad, you will say no, right?
yes. Of course, yes.
Okay. How much is your minimum expected salary?
Like to 5.
Minimum. Minimum, how much you are willing to accept?
Sorry, again.
How much minimum salary you are expecting?
I think it's okay, like 2,000.
Okay. What kind of a housemaid or nanny are you? Describe yourself and give a short message to your future employer. Why should they hire you?
Yeah, okay. I'm talking like a housemaid or a nanny of the kids, like a take care and then.
Okay. So please keep your mobile phone on with you as families will contact you. Thank you, Celeste, for your time for matecv.com. Thank you.
Okay, thank you also.